super easy crochet book keychain. Perfect for beginners. In this tutorial, I'll show you every step, nice and slow. It's a cute handmade gift idea, and it comes together so nicely. Grab cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. That's all you need to start. Make a slip knot, then chain 13. Keep your chain neat and relaxed. It'll make the edges look cleaner later. Start in the second chain from your hook and make 12 single crochets. Keep going across the chain. 1 single crochet in each stitch. Quick count check. You want 12 at the end. Chain 1 and turn. From the very first stitch, single crochet 12 across. Nice and neat. Keep single crocheting across. 1 in each stitch. Make sure you still have 12. Chain 1, turn your work, and keep going. Now repeat that same row until you reach 8 rows total. Take your time here. Keep it even. Next, we'll add a little texture detail. For row 9, chain 1 and turn. Here comes the small detail. Now use the front loops only. That's the loop closest to you. And single crochet 12. Quick tip, make sure you're catching only the front loop each time. Keep going until you have 12 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. This time, use the back loops only. That's the loop furthest from you. Single crochet 12 across. Catch only the back loop, all the way across. Count to 12 again. Nice texture. Chain 1, turn, and we're back to the easy part. Now repeat the same simple single crochet rows, just like the first 8 rows. Each row, single crochet 12 across, smooth and steady. After that 10th row, repeat 8 more rows the same way. Great, keep going. Same rhythm. You've got this. Continue until you have 18 rows total. Nice, tall rectangle. So satisfying. All right, 18 rows are done. Looks great already. At the end of row 18, chain 1. Now we'll work around the edge. Along the side, single crochet into each row end stitch. Now across the foundation edge, single crochet 12. Keep single crocheting all the way around. Long side, bottom, long side, and across the top. Work your way around the rectangle. Nice and steady. At each corner, chain 1 to turn smoothly, then keep single crocheting. When you reach the end, leave a long tail, enough to attach the clasp, then cut your yarn. Now, do an invisible join into the first stitch, so the seam looks clean. Take a moment to tidy up the join, then we'll weave in the tail on the back. Weave that tail in on the back. Hide it between the stitches. Find the exact center of the cover, and bring your yarn up to this top point, right here. Carry the yarn through the back stitches. Any neat path is fine. Just keep it hidden as you go. You can carry it through the stitches. Any simple way is fine. No stress. The key is this: when you fold it in half, the yarn should land right at the top. Now let's switch to our second color, for the inside of the cover. We'll repeat the same process as before. Nice and familiar. Only two things change: the starting chains and the total rows. Start with chain 16. Great, chain is done. Now we'll start single crochets. Second chain from the hook. Single crochet 15 across. Keep going across, and count to 15 for this row. Chain 1, turn your work. Start right from the first stitch, and single crochet 15 across. Continue until you reach 10 rows, 15 single crochets in every row. After 10 rows, single crochet all around the edges, just like before. And don't forget, chain 1 at each corner. Corners matter. Chain 1 every time. All right, our white piece is done. Looks clean and neat. Now this becomes the inside of the book, so we'll place it on top and glue it down. Make sure the wrong sides face you, so everything lines up nicely. See, this is the right side, the front. Place it centered, nice and symmetrical, and leave a small border at the top and bottom. I'm using cold silicone glue here. Use any strong craft glue you like. Add glue to the very inside, then fold it in half and press to stick. Press firmly and hold for a moment. Let it set nicely. Then we'll attach the clasp. Now use that yarn tail to attach your keychain clasp. Attach it nice and secure, tighten your wraps, then hide the ends neatly on the back. And that's it. Our keychain is complete. So cute and so giftable. You can decorate it too. Buttons, stars, little charms, whatever you love. All right, that's all for today. I really hope this helped you and inspired you a little too. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, And tell me in the comments, what color would you make yours? See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care.